Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to discuss how to create horizontal scrolling and vertical scrolling in Figma. So let's get started. So I already take some frame so to make our process so easy, right? So initially you just need to create a frame. So if you go with the beginning, so just press F and you will get a lot of frames like iPhone 13 Pro Max, and there's a lot of ranges, right? You can go with iPhone 8, Android small and Android large. So for this tutorial, we are taking this Android large frame, right? So initially we take a frame for the horizontal scrolling, right? So just take it out over here and just pasting it over here, right? Okay, so the main task is how to create this horizontal scrolling. Just need to take this rectangle with 140 by 140 and border radius of 16 pixel, right? So just duplicate it. Just press Alt key in your keyboard and just take out some duplicates. Just making some duplicates, right? So I've created 6 different duplicates. So for imaging, I am using a plugin called Unsplash. That's a plugin. We'll go with the wallpapers for now. I'm just taking a particular rectangle and just taking out some images from here. Okay, and the third image, the fourth one, fifth, and the final one is this. Yes. So now the most important task, like how we can arrange it so we can make a scrolling animation, like horizontal animation. So first you need to tidy it up, right? So to make it align, you just need to click on the top right corner. Just make it tied up, and I will give it a border of like spacing of 16 pixel, right? So the first task you need to do is to make a group. So for grouping, either you can directly click on right. First, you need to select all the rectangles, click on the right. You can go with the group selection, or you can directly, there's a shortcut for Control plus G, right? So just make it group. So you can see like group 350, just rename it wallpaper images, right? Now you just need to make it a frame, right? So for frame, you can like for frame also you can directly go like click on the right click and you can go with the frame section, right? Or you can directly like click on this group and press Shift A for a shortcut, right? So now it's auto layout, right? So now you just need to take this particular frame over here and just paste it out something like this, right? For now, I'm just taking it out a little bit down. Yes. So now I'm just taking some space, right? So it looks more clean. Just giving some 16 pixels all over the round and just adjusting it a bit, right? So that's the first step, right? If you go with this, right? If you start prototyping. Now, if I'm not like for now, I'm not able to make it scrolling on the horizontal bar, right? So for that, you need to do some important and major steps, right? So the first step, you need to go with this clip content, right? So once you check that out, just take out your frame properly and make it align, properly aligned to this particular line, right? Okay. So now once you complete that step, go to the prototyping part and over here, overflow scrolling, just click on this button and now you can go with the horizontal scrolling, right? And that's it. Like now it's definitely work, right? That's very smooth. Like you can go like something like this, right? So now we'll discuss about the vertical scrolling. So scrolling is similar to that of horizontal scrolling. So now I'm just taking that vertical scrolling headline over here and taking out the same rectangle, right? So I'm just duplicating it. Okay, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, right? Taking some random colors. Okay, just a moment. I'm just taking some random colors. Okay, and we'll go with the active state. With go some whitish, some pink orange, and a bit of gray, right? So the same step, like for vertical scrolling also, we need to tidy it up to make it clean, right? We'll give it a gap of 16 pixel. It's personal choice. You can go with the 24 also, right? So for now, we are going for 16. So the very first step, it's similar to that of horizontal scrolling. First, group it out. Once grouped, you will see this option like group 3501. Again, we are going over here and change this name to vertical scrolling, right? So now it's properly grouped. Now you just need to press Shift A for an auto layout. Yes, it's properly auto layout. You can see the section that gives you a kind of confirmation, right? So for left and right, I am giving a 16 pixel padding, and similarly for the top and bottom. Right now it's ready to explore over here. I'm just making it centrally aligned, and yes. So for now, it's not properly working, right? If we go with this and click this one, so if I'm like scrolling my mouse, it's not working, right? Why it's not working? Because we are not making it clip content. So first you need to check this box, click content. Now make this properly aligned to your last sections, right? So now it's properly aligned. So still it is not working. So if we go with this, we can scroll, nothing is going to be working. How it is going to be work? When you click on prototyping, go in the overflow scrolling sections and you need to click in the vertical scrolling, right? Now it will definitely work. So as you can see, now it's working, right? So in this video, you will learn how to create this horizontal scrolling and vertical scrolling. So that is it, guys. All the sections and like plugins that I use in this particular video will definitely make a link out of it and like add it in the description section. So I hope you find it helpful, and as always, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks a lot.